Changing the keypad board. Unscrew the star-shaped screws at the bottom of the reader by using the screwdriver provided. Remove the steel back plate. Unscrew the back casing of the reader and open it. Remove the core board from the MCU using the flat screwdriver. Unscrew all 4 screws that tighten the MCU inside the reader. Unplug the connector for speaker from MCU. Unplug the connector for keyboard from the MCU. Unplug the connector for LED light from the MCU. Unplug the connector for RFID coil from the MCU. This is for R2 model only. Take out the MCU from the reader. Remove the 4 screws from the keypad board. Remove the keypad board and replace it with the new keypad board. Tighten the 4 screws of the keypad board. Now locate the MCU in its position. Tighten all screws to locate the MCU properly. Plug the connector of speaker back to the MCU. Plug the connector of keyboard back to the MCU. Plug the connector of LED light back to the MCU. Plug the connector of RFID coil back to the MCU. Plug the core board firmly on the MCU. Cover with the back plate and tighten the screw. Cover with the steel back plate and tighten the screw. Now switch on the reader to test.